Next, we will introduce the mold workshop of Chac. Mold production personnel, according to the mold order and mold drawings, determine the mold design scheme to get raw materials and processing and complete the mold production. Now, Chac follow automated mold manufacturing steps and introduced new processing center. Mold designers, according to the issued test paper from technical department, determine the mold quantity. These joint steel beads meticulously controlled and executed the engineer's instructions, which greatly improved the production efficiency. Workers only need to happy harvest their mold, finish the mold warehousing procedures, complete the mold warehousing. The introduction of the mold workshop has come to an end.